Okay, so maybe you're fed up with the LED RGB strips and you want something more fancy. Today we'll be looking at the Cololight Hex Rhythm Kit, and it comes in at a pretty affordable price. Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome back to another video. Just a quick disclaimer, this product was sent out by Cololight, however all the opinions are of my own. Okay, so let's start the video off by going over some of the features. So it has 16 million RGB colors, dynamic effects, sound activated, so you can talk and it will play to the rhythm of your voice. This particular product is a 9-kit setup, however you can get smaller ones or larger ones from Cololight. Now the presentation is very good, looks very premium. We also have a manual inside. Now RTFM, okay, make sure you read this properly, because I thought, oh, I'm a tech guy, I'm just gonna set it up. But there is a reason. Make sure you put the connectors and not the fixators on properly. So in the box we get the stone base, that feels substantial. We get another box with all the accessories, and then we have all the other lights in there. So let's quickly go and look at the base itself. Now the first thing I did when I opened it up, I was like, whoa, this base is quite hefty, which is good because when you have the kit fully set up, you don't want it knocking over and getting damaged. So this is the base, it's marble, and then you have a cutout at the top, so the controller goes in there, which is powered by USB. And then we have a small hole at the back for cable management. So in this next box we have all the different accessories. The first thing you see is 2 additional Hex lights, but let's look at the user guide. Now make sure you read it so you know how to use the product properly, because I did make a mistake and got mixed up with the fixators and the connectors. Hey, wait a minute. Just a quick shameless plug. If you want to see more short form content, more reels, more behind the scenes, then do remember to follow me on Instagram at Carlos Tech. So you have the controller, which is USB powered. You have a locking mechanism at the back as well, so make sure it sticks on when the first one is entered. So here we have the fixators. Now the fixators actually don't provide any power. It's just there to help with the integrity of the whole kit. Now these are the connectors and what powers up your Hex lights. Make sure you have them in a sequence, because I did connect it up wrong at one point and notice how come some of the lights are working and some are not. The Hex light seems well built and solid. You can also decide to put it off the base and have it in a single array. I've tried it and it does look pretty nice. If you think these lights are pretty cool, then I'll leave all the information in the description box below. So let's talk about the app. You can download it from the App Store or the Play Store. So if you have a different product, you can go into add, then add your Hex light. If you have the strip or mix or triangle, you can choose that as well. Once the device is set up, you can change the brightness of the panel, the speed. You can have dynamic modes such as Aurora, Rainbow, Macron. It looks very good. And you can change the speed of the color lights as well. We also have a lot of options to choose from: a solid color and then rhythm mode, where we can change the brightness and sensitivity, and it looks pretty good, which will be demonstrated slightly later on. Once you have the first Hex light connected to the controller, then you can connect all subsequent ones with the connector and use the fixator to strengthen the integrity. And this is how it should look. You can also get it in different arrays, but let's have a quick look at how it looks when you start clicking. So this is the rhythm mode. It's picking up sound if I'm clicking or clapping. Looks very nice, works very well as well. And here we have the lights in a different formation. I think it looks really nice in this position, and it just adds to your desk setup. So far I think the product is very good. It's well made. There are a couple of things I think they could improve on the app itself. It does work well, but sometimes it doesn't connect as often as it should. And also at the back, if you don't have the connectors in properly, you might notice some of the panels not lighting up. So just make sure that's done properly and everything should be working as it should. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. If you want to check the product out, do check the description box underneath the like button. And as always, stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.